I have sunglasses in the car.
As you can see here, this is an airsoft battle.
I back away though. Watch out. You might get hit.
We're recording this. We are now in an airsoft battle. One of our guys is down. Zach, respect, man, respect.
Ow, that fucking hurt.
That's what he had. That's what he had to say. I was trying to nose.
I know this looks like pushy shit, but like, I mean that's nothing, but still, fucking hurt.
Mickey, what do you guys say about this? What do you guys say about this? Oh, yeah. Zach, record this.
What is this?
It's footage.
Is it going to Apollo?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet.
Get tougher.
Yo, I ought to put on my protection before I get freaking hurt again. Glasses. Fuck. Yo. Alright. Yo, I need to get some protection on, because I know one of these mothers are gonna shoot me again. What? Yo, man, I need a... There's a mask, but that's Ron's. Where do I throw... Oh, there's my shirt. Fuck. Yo, hold this.
It's about to get real intense, guys. All right, crazy?
Yeah, I'm fine.